It's funny actually, because the shared experiences we have in fostering, as a connection of sisters who are fostering, we are attuned, although we're not together, lots of the time, we're so like-minded in ways that I'll walk into Lisa's house and say, oh, I've got that. And the same, isn't it? We'll buy something or have favourite things without having a conversation.
The same thing and didn't even realise.
Absolutely.
Oh, the support that we've got for each other is invaluable, isn't it?
Absolutely.
We can call each other at any time, any day. It doesn't matter if it's late, first thing in the morning, whenever it may be. We can give each other help and advice, can't we? I've been on the phone to you a couple of times, haven't I, Michelle? Thinking how am I going to deal with this? And should I be doing it this way or that way? And because you've been doing it longer than me, kind of you know what Foster Wales Swansea would expect you to do and guide me, and it's been really, really helpful.
Yeah, and obviously for the children it's natural as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
If there is a problem or you need to, put the children somewhere safe, you haven't got to be sort of phoning Foster Wales Swansea and say, oh my gosh, I've got a crisis. We can just literally phone each other, and we know we can rely on each other.
Sort it out between ourselves.
24 hours a day.
Yeah, and it's that thing, isn't it? When children who, in lots of cases, don't necessarily want to be taken away from their natural families, it's a case of with our network, our parents are Nana and Granddad, and it extends into
Auntie Boo,
and we've branched out into the members of our family being significant adults. So to replace you as one, as you've got your foster care as a brother, is a significant now for everyone. But when we're out around in public, we can just kind of be together. It's nice, it's natural. It means that our children
they don't feel singled out.
No, they're foster cousins, and it's auntie this and, as I say, Nana or Granddad that. It's just marvellous for them not to have to explain or feel that they're any different to any other child.
Definitely.